Welcome to Learn Spanish Tutor, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Spanish. Hola a todos, soy Rebecca. Hi everyone, I am Rebecca. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of colors in Spanish. ¿Están listos? Are you ready? Empecemos. Let's start. Here are the names of some simple colors in Spanish. Rojo, rojo. Azul, azul. Verde, verde. Amarillo, amarillo. Blanco, blanco. Negro, negro. Naranja, naranja. Rosa, rosa. Marron, marron. Excellent work. Now I will show you the English word for each color and give you time to say the Spanish word. Rojo, azul. Verde, amarillo. Blanco, negro. Naranja, rosa. Marron. Did you get them all correct? Awesome. If not, just rewatch the video and try again. You'll be fluent in no time. If you're enjoying this lesson so far, please hit the subscribe button. Practice using these colors in sentences to improve your vocabulary and fluency. In our next lesson, we will learn some useful adjectives to describe things around you. Keep watching our videos to practice your Spanish. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to learn more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.